like to wish you well for tomorrow, wish you Merry Christmas and a peaceful New Year to all of you. I'm here to meet you. And before I proceed any further, I'd just like to acknowledge and thank the staff who have been looking after you for such a long time. I wish you well, and I wish you all the best for the new year. I'm here with my staff to spend Christmas Eve with you. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, a day which we all look forward to. We will remember you in our prayers. We wish you well, and we wish you could be with your families. But tomorrow is a day of family reunion. I have got a small gift for you, a hamper. There's some biscuits, some cakes, and some sweets for all of you. So as you celebrate tomorrow, our thoughts and our prayers are going to be with you. So once again, thank you. And I'd like to thank Sister Selena and Sister Ratu and the staff for looking after you. On that note, once again, Nawalew, I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and may God bless you all. Nawalew, thank you. This is a small gift from government and the people of Fiji and the members of my staff. It's for you to enjoy tomorrow, because tomorrow is Christmas Day, and I'm sure you'll have a family lunch, and you can share the cakes and some of the fruits and the sweets in here. Something for you to remember Christmas by, and we'll be thinking and praying for all of you. Nawalew, Nawalew.